Let's talk about the truth about hair growth. I'm Shannon, your certified hair loss practitioner, hair restoration specialist, and healthy hair care specialist. And I wanted to have a discussion with you all about the truth about hair growth. And with all of the information going around about hair growth, and use this hair growth serum and take this hair growth vitamin and you will see results, and people are not seeing the results that they desire, I wanted to point out a few things that you should take into consideration when it comes to hair growth and when it comes to expecting to see results with your hair growth journey. Number one, genetically, some women just naturally grow long, beautiful, or full hair. That's just it. That's why sometimes when you see women who cut their hair off and it grows right back, or they just naturally have always had a head full of beautiful hair, that is why genetically they can grow hair. Number two, some women need a little extra help when it comes to hair growth. Some women are experiencing excessive shedding. Some women are experiencing hair thinning. Some women are experiencing hair loss. Some women genetically do not have the makeup to grow longer, beautiful, healthier, fuller hair. And so they just need a little extra help. And that's okay. That's okay. There are solutions for those women. That's when the hair growth serums come in. That's when the hair growth vitamins come in. That's when the treatments come in. So there's nothing wrong with needing a little extra help to get your hair to grow. My hair needs a little extra help to get my hair to grow. Genetically, I just do not have the ability to produce thicker, fuller hair without having a proper hair care regimen and or treatment plan in place for myself. And so that's number two. Number three, so hair follicles is what produces the hair, is what grows the hair, right? So if you have hair follicles that are dead, not living, cannot be regenerated, and scarring alopecia is present, your hair cannot and will not grow back. That is the sad and unfortunate truth, okay? So if you have hair follicles that are dead, your hair is not going to grow back. How do you know if you have hair follicles that are dead? Without seeing a specialist, if you feel spots on your scalp that are slick and smooth, that means that scarring alopecia is present and hair will not grow back in that area or those areas, okay? Number four, so there are factors that can affect your hair growth cycle. Every woman has a hair growth cycle, okay? And there are different factors when your lifestyle changes or anything goes on in your life, inside of your body, what you're doing, what you're eating, stress, things like that, hormones, anything of that nature, your hair growth cycle can be affected at any given time, and that determines the fullness of your hair growth, that determines the length of your hair growth, that determines whether your hair is going to shed too much, that determines your hair growth cycle and how your hair grows, okay? So keep that in mind as well. With all of that being said, if you are one of those women who needs a little extra help with your hair growth journey, growing your hair back, or your healthy hair care journey, I suggest that you consult with a certified hair loss practitioner, me, or a hair restoration specialist, me again, and get the facts about your hair, the health of your hair, where you are with your hair growth, where you are with the health of your hair, and get a treatment plan or a custom hair care regimen into place so that you will know what to do moving forward so that you can achieve the results that you desire. All you have to do is click the link in my bio to request an appointment to get started today.